Hello everyone.
Everyone is doing well. Dear students, today I uploaded statistics for management. Statistics of management. Here, this subject that the students will feel little tricky subject. Okay, comparative to other subjects. This subject is little tricky. Yes, even I do agree. The thing is, please students don't get confused. What I have did here, I have collected some important topics which have repeatedly repeated in questions previous year question papers also you can check. Okay, so here I would like to share you one thing. Before starting any subject, first we have to know what are the contents, what are the syllabus in that particular subject, what are the topics that are going to cover in that particular subject. If you know the topics, so we can prepare problems easily. If you don't know topic wise, you don't know unit wise the names of a particular topic, then no one, not only you, even me too, no one can able to solve the problems. I hope you people understood what I mean to say is. So before starting any particular subjects, you guys please be aware of that particular subject syllabus. This is most important. So based on our MBA semester 1 statistics for management syllabus, here are the most important problem solving questions with the answers, formulas, all the topics I have covered. Okay, about this subject. First, before going to particular, before going or before solving a particular problem, first we have to know the contents. What are the things are covering in this particular unit? Okay, now. So here, please see, I have mentioned unit wise. If you see our book, statistics books, it's very what do you say? We are unable to find out unit wise what are the particular topics they are going to cover. So these are the topics they are going to cover. Please focus on this topics what I am explaining. So completely there will be unit unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3 will be there. Okay, if you observe that unit wise, what are the topics and subtopics that we are going to cover, let's we discuss unit wise. Okay, so if you see here, unit 1, probability and decision theory. Here probability and decision theory most important. Okay, this is the base of our subject. So if you see this probability and decision theory, they are going to cover addition theorem, conditional and probability, and base theory. These three concepts is very important. Probability and decision theory, unit 1, addition theorem concept first one, second one is the conditional probability, and the third one is base theorem. Okay, so once again, if you see that in addition theorem, additional rule, for example I will tell you in our 10th standard, maybe you people know that this kind of problems: p bracket open, a or b bracket close is equal to, okay, bracket close, p bracket open a and plus p bracket b minus p and a and b. So obviously this or we will call this value as or and this value as end value. Okay, so based on this addition theory, so what happened here, we will get this kind of problem like p bracket close, find the p or b. Okay, they will give like this, they will ask you to find out the p or b value. What is the p or b value? Just they will give p is equal to p bracket close a and p b value is this. They will ask you to find out P or B value, P and end value, like this. Okay, maximum this kind of problems we will get in additional theorem. And coming to the second topic, that is conditional probability also same Biome's theorem. So what we will do means, I am not explaining anything here directly. So what I will try to do that topic wise I will give you sample, not sample problems, two problems, three problems of particular topic I will give. For example, on conditional probability, I will make conditional probability and bias theorem. I will make a video, the repeated problems in exams, so that you can solve easily questions. First, you have to know the content. So, here addition theory, conditional probability, Bayes theorem is from probability and decision making, unit 1. And coming to unit 2, probability distribution. Here in probability distribution, what happens? Binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, okay, and also normal distribution. You will get this related on this topics questions: binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution. And after that, unit 3, sampling and hypothesis testing. Here in sampling and hypothesis testing, like we will get the standard error means the formula is like this, standard error, okay, root n, okay. And after that, uh, confidence interval. And unit 4, chi-square and ANOVA non-parametric test. And unit 5, correlation, regression and time series. On time series, dear, I am going to upload the class and I am going to upload problems based on this time series now. So why? Because it is very easy. Time series means, for example, which kind of questions he will give means, he will give all the data: 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. Example I am telling, please try to understand 2026. They will ask you what are the percentage sales increased by these all years. He will give some value. For example, percentage sales all together 10, 10 and 10 all together, how much 30. Again 30 divided by whole 3 years, 3, like that we have to do. Okay, so very easy time series. So I'm going to upload a video on this time series. So topic wise I will try to upload. The thing is, before starting our problem oriented explanation, you guys please take screenshot. These are the topics, this topic wise let's we solve the problems, so you will get better understanding. Okay, so these are the units which are going to cover for MBA students for statistics and management. So what is that? Unit 1, probability and decision theory. In that, addition theory, conditional probability, Bayes theorem. And unit 2, probability distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution. And unit 3, sampling and hypothesis testing, standard error, large sample Z test, confidence interval. And unit 4, chi-square ANOVA and non-parametric test, and also you will get parametric test, this kind of questions. Okay, and unit 5, correlation and regression and time series, like this. These 5 topics we are going to discuss unit wise. Okay, topic wise, not also unit wise. For example, I will mention in my what is say thumbnail, time series. So you people have to understood that ma'am completed time series problem oriented questions. If I regression like this, I will upload on based on particular topic name. The topic name I will mention, and problems, 2 3 problems I will solve with along with explanation I will upload. You people follow that, guys, and after completion of this practical problems I will share you the important repeated questions. The important repeated questions, please try to make your own notes and prepare. That's it. No need of worrying about the statistics subject. It is very easy, if in a sequence form. Okay, if we plan in a sequence form, if you prepare the subject, you will not get any issues, you will not get any problems. Okay, so please take screenshot, please write down all the topics. Thank you so much.